Traders, FS Pick Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But don't forget to check out my website, fxpickcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So, anyways, on the pound yen, I still think it's very clear that the monthly is probably going to make an ABC of 4 before it goes back up and makes a wave 5 to complete this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the weekly time frame, I still don't really see any evidence that the wave B is over, but I do think this is the A. I do think we're in a wave B. It could easily go up to a higher fib level, and sometimes wave Bs do take out the high of the previous move. So the trend is definitely still up, at least on these higher time frames. Going down to the daily time frame, we definitely did have an impulsive move down and a possible break on the daily. But this still could be an ABC correction. A breaker starter doesn't mean trend reversal. A breaker starter could just mean that the last wave is over and that we're in an ABC correction to that wave and it just continues the uptrend. So we're just going to have to observe to see if this makes a 1, 2, 3, which will just keep on going, or whether it makes an ABC correction to this last move up, makes a higher low, and continues the uptrend. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. So I have my Fibonacci retracement on this last move up right here, but honestly, I think it will go beyond these fib levels. I think this is either an A or 1. I think this is 3 waves up right here, either wave B or wave 2. I think we're likely either in a C or a 3, and if it really is a C, then it should take out the low of wave A and then break structure to the upside and continue the uptrend, which, like I said, would be a correction to the last wave up. If it really is a wave 3, then I think that it more likely would just keep on making lower lows, lower highs, never giving you that Fibonacci bounce and break of structure, proving that it really is a wave 3. So, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. If you're a 1 hour time frame trader, I do suggest looking for sorts. It definitely does kind of look like a possible A, B, C correction though, so it might possibly go up a little bit before it goes down. Now, the reason why I wouldn't be taking this long right here is because the trend is down on the high, technically on the roadmap time frames. So even though it looks like it possibly could go up, it also looked like it possibly could go up right there. And what happened there? Which means, when you're trading against a trend, there's no guarantee that it's going to make you a nice move. It might just make a little push up and just continue the downtrend. So I would definitely be looking for sorts. I'd be very cautious about going long. Like I said, I'm expecting this move down to be either a wave C or a wave 3. Hopefully we can continue to look for sorts while we learn and earn whether it's a wave C or whether it's a wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.